Hi guys, in this lecture I'm going to do some logical math problem here and it will help you to understand Java algorithms much more easier. So let's do this. Scanner S and C new scanner system dot. So guys, this will what we are going to do here. I'm going to change value of two number. Let's see what it will happen. I'm going to write int first number equals scanner dot next integer and integer second number equals scanner dot next integer. So guys, I'm going to write here information. Without information, do not forget our user will not see information page here, information tag, or enter first number. Let's here write SOUT, enter second number. So guys, let's try to change first number to second number and second number to first number. You can think about it and you can find the solution before I do, but if you can't find out, do not worry, I'm going to explain. So let's create another integer, temporary, and I'm going to write temporary equals 0, and I'm going to write temporary equals second number. Why I did this? I created integer temporary and I wrote temporary equals second number. No, let's write here first number. And here our temporary was 0, but here our temporary is first number. So let's here write first number equals second number, and here let's write second number equals temp. So do not worry guys, I'm going to explain completely all of this. I wrote integer temporary equals this, and then I said temporary equals first number. For example, here our user will enter 5 and here will enter 7. Here our temporary equals 5. Here our first number is 7, and here our second number is 5. So you can see guys, our second number became 5, first number became 7, temporary became 5 also, but we will not use temporary here, it's just the temporary. So let's write this SOUT. Our first number is, let's write first number like this, and here let's write our second number is second number. You can see first number is first number and second number is second number, and let's run this and see the result. First number is 1, second number is 2, and here first number is 2 but second number is 1. We changed two variable we changed value of two variable guys here. It's so logical thing. I think when I started to learn programming, it was so interesting for me. I don't know it's interesting for you or not. So guys, let's see in the next lectures. In the future we are going to do much more stuff like this. So guys, see you.